Morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Mail call. Got some great shop cards and Christmas cards in the mail this week I want to share with you, along with a show shout out for a show that's 1 month from now. So I want to give you a heads up on that. Go ahead and get that on your calendar, make your plans. Also got a kit in the mail and a new Chrome product we're going to do a quick test on. So let's get busy. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. Have a lot of awesome shop cards and Christmas cards to share with you. First up, we've got from William over at Red Hill Rod and Custom. Check out that 56 Nomad. That is just cool. But William, thank you so much. Appreciate the kind words and the wishes, and the same to you and yours. And guys, if you're not familiar with any of these channels, head over, check them out, show them some Christmas love, and give them a sub. You're going to like what you find on the channels there. Next up is my buddy Kim from Denmark, Kim's Custom Garage. The very first shop card when I started my channel that I ever received was from Kim, and that is just a cool build, beautiful Christmas card. Kim, as always, we love you, we thank you, and appreciate all you do for the community too, and Merry Christmas. And next up we have from Dan and Tammy Johnson, Oh Holy Night. A beautiful card. Thank you so much. A lot of these are just from subscribers too, guys. And we appreciate you guys more than you know, and we really love you. Thanks so much. And then this one is from Dan the Man over at 6T's Rule, and we got a new sticker from 6T's Rule. Thank you so much, Dan, we really appreciate it, and Merry Christmas. And then we have, this is from Steve Hudson, as I recall. Yeah, Season's Greetings. Love these dimensional cards too. I gotta have the truck. Cool stuff. Thank you, buddy. Merry Christmas. And then we have Happy Holidays, and this one is from Tim and Julie Carson. And Tim, we got a shop card as well, and a sticker from Box Stock Garage. And if you're not familiar with this channel, Box Stock Garage, because so many of us, we all started out doing box stock, and as I'm getting back into it on this 40 modified and this Tom Daniels kit, I'm rediscovering the joy of doing some of this too. But very cool, very cool. Tim, you and Julie have an awesome Christmas. Thank you so much. And then we've got Jason and Heather at Blue Ox Model Shop, as well as the rest of the family, Peanut, Blizzard, and Jonesy. And that's something Amanda and I are going to have to do when we start getting back into the cards again, is we're going to have to put the pups in there too. But thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Hope y'all have a great Christmas up there in New Hampshire. I know it's going to be a cold one. You may even have a white Christmas. So, Merry Christmas. And then we've got, this is from Chris and Joanna Yates over at Chris's House of Plastic. Chris, hope y'all have a great Christmas, and thank you for the beautiful card. And this one is from my buddy Gene King over at, this one is a magnet. It's just a Christmas present. A magnet and a sticker from the Y City Modelers, Scale Modelers in Zanesville, Ohio. And you've heard me mention before, I have some family in that area in Zanesville. So they do a great show every year too. But thank you for the stickers and the magnet. I'll be getting those on the bench and coming up. And lastly, in the Christmas cards, this is from my buddy Tony Roberts. Every single year at Christmas and on my birthday, he custom makes cards. And Tony is creative. This Nighthawks is one of those things where if you study the thing and really look at little bitty things, you will find little gems hidden all throughout the card. And on the card here, we have our buddy Tom Moody, Wade Brooks, David Hawkins, who's the owner and creator of Plastic Performance Products and an outstanding modeler to boot. Then you have Tony himself, Hobby Dude, Bill Vaughn, who is my historian when it comes to things I can't find or figure out. Bill's the man. And then we have BG. And of course, we're all meeting at BG's Taco Diner. But Tony always has some creative stuff in the background. The scene last year's card where he did the street there from It's a Wonderful Life. Just a great little scene there. But we have Batson's Model Car Emporium. We have, instead of Holman and Moody, we have Hawkins and Moody. And you'll notice my street address of the Model Car Emporium is number 43. Plastic Performance Products hanging in the background, and you can see in the window. We have Hippie Dude Hot Sauce up here. We have Bill Vaughn Enterprises. Black Dog, which is part of Tony's subsidiary of his company. We have the model car boxes. We have Hobby Dude on this one, Ravel, the pups, of course. And then you have model cars sitting on the counter. And if you get it, it's not going to be easy for you to see, but Taco Supremo menu, and BG is probably sitting there. There's a couple of bottles of Hippie Dude hot sauce there and here, and but the more I look, every time I look at it, I'm always finding something a little bit different. And Tony, in your text this year, I could not agree more that just like old George Bailey, a man that has friends is the richest man in town. And let me tell you, truer words have not been said, and I am blessed with so many great friends. And this one right here that's so creative to come up with this stuff. Tony, thank you, buddy. We love you and appreciate you more than you know. But just a wonderful card as always. And there's a lot of work that goes into this kind of stuff too. Okay, well, that's the cards, guys. Now let's, and Merry Christmas to all of y'all that sent cards, and whether you did or not, hope everybody has an awesome Christmas. Okay, next up, this little quick show shout out for January the 17th. Like I said, we're 1 month off from this. This is the South Carolina Modelers Association's Hope It Don't Snow show. This is getting to be a bigger and bigger show every year. There's your location in Welford, South Carolina. It's in Spartanburg County, and it's right off of Interstate 85, so it's convenient and really near 26. So not too far from 26 and 85, so it's kind of a good location, a convenient location. And your theme is lawn roofs and pickups. Contact information is here. But come on and join us this time. It'll be a good time, and for me, that'll be the first show of the year too. Okay, next up in the mail was our Salvino kit. Just wanted to show you that really quick. This month's kit of the month is the Jeff Bodine. Let me back off here a little bit. 1984 Chevy Monte Carlo. Always thought that was a good-looking car. I've never been a real fan of. Well, I'm not going to get into that. I'm not Bodine, but that particular team. But I'm a petty man. What can I say? But it is a good-looking car, and that's the kit of the month. And with the kit of the month, if you're a member of the Builders Club, you get free decals and stickers and stuff in there. And this, I don't know if it'll open, this month's club sticker. And I got a huge bag of these things, and I've got some posted all over the bench too. The freebies that you get every month, you get the decals, 3 sets of decals. That's a good looking, that's for that Benny Parsons Fastback Pontiac. And we got another set of the Tim Richmond Old Milwaukee Pontiac. And another set of the reverse paint job 1980 Petty Monte Carlo. Always thought that car was so unique. And that's the freebies for this month. Okay, now, I'd mentioned that we're going to do a test on some chrome. Well, let me introduce it to you real quick, because this is new to me, but I've heard some pretty good things about it. But this is Fusion Firm. And I got the brush on, which is called liquid silver foil. I played with this right when I got it in yesterday, and this is the airbrush chrome. And we're gonna give a test shot to both of them really quick. I did brush on the on this, and it's pretty self-leveling too, guys. The brush on. Let's see if I can get close enough there. But you can see that's chrome, guys. And give you an idea, and we'll do a test on the, I got another piece of just flat plastic here. This is the brush on, and there's a varnish that comes with it, and check that out. Gold plating. And we're going to be trying that out. I'm not going to worry about that one right now. I really just more, I want to say, oh wow, as you see, that is a true liquid chrome. And I'm going to put that on just sparingly here. Wow. Man, that is, let's do that other side. Well, like I said, it's self-leveling. That looks really, really good. In fact, hey, let's try something. Amanda! Sorry, hope I didn't bust your... Let me get her in here a minute. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back with Amanda, and she's giving me the what for look. Here, let me...
What are you doing?
Let me have one of your fingernails. Pick one.
All right, do the little one.
Do the little one?
Can you do the little one?
I can do the little one.
What are you doing?
I'm going to chrome plate your nail.
What? I need to have taken the polish and stuff off of it. What are you doing?
Just hold on a minute. Let's try something, guys. I can't really see. You can't see through my hand, so you can't. Wow.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, wow. All right, we got to do the rest, other 9.
Here, let me have your hand a minute. Check that out, guys. Okay, you're dismissed.
The proof of the pudding is going to be how well it wears.
You know, that's true, how well it wears. I was just curious to see.
All right.
All right.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, how about that?
You know who would love that?
Lauren
Yeah.
would love that. Our daughter would love that.
Well, thanks, I think.
Well, don't tell her we have it, or she'll, hey, go take that off before she sees it. She'll steal my bottle. Anyway, that's the brush on, guys. Sorry about that, I dropped some. That's the brush on version of it. And like I was saying, that's on that round. Let's see if I can get it in the light there. That is really nice. And then there's on that flat piece, now that it's set for a minute. That is very smooth, very level. I like this. Now you talk about when you cut something off the chrome sprue, if you want to touch it up, instead of that typical silver paint or something. And once it cures, I am interested in trying this gold plating thing. Protective lacquer. So that must be the varnish they're talking about that covers it too. And there's a brush in that one as well. Okay, very good. All right, guys, let me get set up, and we are going to try this airbrush version, it is pre-thinned, and it is in a huge bottle. And if this works like the Revell, or gives that finish that we just looked at, if it's that same finish, and this says dries in 72 hours, and there's your just a few drops. Doesn't necessarily look chrome, but we're going to give it a shot here. I've got one of those Tom Daniels turbine engines I want to go ahead and shoot this on, and we're not going to put a base coat or anything on it. It's already in primer. It has been for a while, so we're going to set the airbrush up and give this a shot and see how it looks. So let me get over to the paint booth. All right, yeah, check that out. That was only about 10 drops, and I've still got a decent amount in there. Now, getting it back into the bottle, that's... Okay, guys. Yeah, that is some awesome stuff. Okay, hope y'all have an awesome weekend. Thanks for tagging along on this one. Wow, I am just amazed at that. That is awesome. Have a great one. I'll try to have another video or two up before Christmas, but y'all be safe out there in all the shopping madness. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys.